The Cost Centers menu in the Company Functional area is used to create, modify, and delete cost centers. The Cost Centers page is also used to set budgets for individual cost centers. Users must have the rights to cost centers in order to use this feature. The Cost Centers page allows for authorized users to set up a material budget and labor budget amount for each month per cost center. Labor costs are accumulated when a work order is closed. Material costs accumulate when a work order is closed, when a purchase order is closed, or a transaction is performed. The cost centers will only accumulate if a user has selected a cost center on the work order, purchase order, or transaction. The actual amount of money used from the budget is displayed in the actual cost field. When a work order is closed and a part is used on an active work order, which has a cost center assigned, the material budget is decreased by the unit cost of the part. When a work order is closed and labor is used in an active work order, which has a cost center assigned, the labor budget is decreased by the cost of the labor. From the cost center tree, the user can select cost center as well as the current fiscal year budget. This can be accomplished by selecting the Change Fiscal Year Start Month icon. The display will be updated and the fiscal start month will be changed for all cost centers in the entire system. To create a cost center, 1. Select New Cost Center icon. 2. Enter the cost center name. 3. Choose the currency. 4. Select the start date. 5. Select the Save icon. To adjust a cost center's budget, 1. Select a cost center and expand it to view the fiscal year budget. 2. Select the Adjust Budget icon. 3. Adjust budget data as necessary, entering labor and material amounts. 4. Select the Save icon. The budget area for the past months cannot be adjusted. To create a new cost center budget for the next fiscal year, 1. Select a cost center. 2. Select the Add New Budget icon. 3. Enter the fiscal year. 4. Adjust budget data as necessary, entering labor and material amounts. 5. Select the Save icon. To delete a cost center, 1. Select a cost center. 2. Select the Delete icon. 3. Select OK at the verification prompt. Note: a cost center cannot be deleted if it's used on a work order master or an active work order. To edit a cost center, 1. Select a cost center. 2. Select the Edit icon. 3. Enter New Name. 4. Select the Save icon. To purge the budget history of a cost center, 1. Select the cost center. 2. Select the Purge Budget History icon. 3. Select a range of dates to purge. 4. Select the Save icon.